India has already set up a vaccine task force to facilitate the vaccine early approval for emergency use. Then India also have an expert group on vaccine administration for COVID-19. The purpose of the group is to marketing and the price fixing of the vaccine. And also, if any vaccine either invented in India or in any foreign countries, then the government try to have the agreement with that company to produce large amount of vaccines in India to export to other poor countries or other developing countries. India is also named as world pharmacy because India is producing 62% of common vaccine to the world. India tried to eradicate the SARS-CoV-2 virus through the way of herd immunity. Instead of giving vaccine to all people, the vulnerable people will get vaccine. Through that way, the vulnerable people will be protected and also the rest of the population will be protected by breaking the transmission link of the virus. Then you may have a question that how much percentage of people need to be vaccinated through the herd immunity. The government has told that India have a plan of vaccinating 60% of people to get the herd immunity. For that reason, Indian government has booked 1,600 million doses of vaccine to vaccinate 800 million Indians. The booked vaccines also include 500 million doses from AstraZeneca vaccine Covishield and 100 million doses from Sputnik 5 vaccine. But the experts are suggesting at least we need to vaccinate 70% of people to achieve proper herd immunity to break the transmission link of the SARS-CoV-2 virus. But the Indian government announced they are not going to vaccinate all the people, but in the initial stage, India is going to vaccinate 30 crore people before August 2021. For that purpose, Indian government is going to use 500 million doses of vaccine. Then who are all going to get vaccine in India in the first stage? The people, those who are aged more than 50 years, then frontline workers, medical staffs, then people, those who are aged below 50 years with comorbidities. Then finally, if it required, then the government may consider to vaccinate other people based on the transmission rate of the virus and also the availability of vaccine, because the herd immunity percentage may vary based on the severity of the virus transmission rate and also how much people and what kind of variant people it is affecting. To monitor the entire task, Indian government has set up a COVID-19 vaccine intelligence network system, which is a digital platform. The purpose of the platform is to monitor the vaccine availability and also find out the correct beneficiaries. For that purpose, Indian government has listed out some set of documents, for instance, voter ID, Aadhaar card, driving license, passport, then PAN card, these kind of documents. So those who are meeting the first stage vaccination guidelines of government, they can register their details and also upload their passport size photo, their address proof and ID proof in the consent website. Then the Indian government will cross-check the details with the details present in the Lok Sabha or general elections voter list. Then they will get message to indicate the date and also the place of vaccination. Then who are all going to be involved in the vaccination drive against SARS-CoV-2 virus in India? We have already more than 1.5 lakh of auxiliary nurses and midwives. Along with, we also have the support of final year medical students and municipality workers along with volunteers, then NGOs. India has been already running a world's largest common vaccination drive for 4 crores of pregnant women and children against 12 common diseases. India has 29,000 of common cold storage facilities which can maintain temperatures 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. So these circumstances are very suitable to store Serum Institute vaccine Covishield. In India, we also have the research institutes for plants and animal which has the cold storage facility which can maintain temperature minus 20 degrees Celsius to 80 degrees Celsius, particularly in the states of Haryana, West Bengal and Karnataka. 6 vaccines already got limited emergency use approval in many countries, but all of a sudden recently the new variant of SARS-CoV-2 virus is threatening the UK particularly, and also other countries also quite fear about this new muted variant of SARS-CoV-2 virus, because the new variant of SARS-CoV-2 virus is spreading 70% faster than SARS-CoV-2 virus. So the England has announced severe lockdown, followed by many European countries also announced severe lockdown. Particularly these all are happening during the time of Christmas. So do you want to reinvent the new vaccine against new variant of gene mutant SARS-CoV-2 virus? The experts told that no need to worry because it is a natural tendency of any organisms, including microorganisms, to adapt to the circumstances. It happens because when new gene copied from old gene, there is a chance of error or changes. Every year, the flu vaccine is altered according to the changes in the genome of flu virus. So, we no need to be panic. For instance, let us assume that we need to send 5 pages of text through mail. We have already typed the text. But after we found that there is some mistake or some error in few lines. So, instead of deleting the entire text, we only need to delete those errors. Similarly, the vaccine formula is altered according to the changes of gene muted new variant of virus instead of reinventing. There are many fake news are also spreading regarding vaccination against SARS-CoV-2 virus. For instance, a woman who got vaccination from England after she claimed that within few days her both legs are wounded. That is a result of side effect of the vaccine. Then another fake news is a chip is inserted into the body through the vaccine. Already people have the vaccine hesitancy whenever the government try to implement any vaccination drive. That is because of the worry about the side effect of the vaccine or otherwise the worry about the fake news regarding the vaccine. A London-based company conducted a survey for COVID-19 vaccine confidence project in India, which has highlighted that 87% of people in India told they are interested to get the vaccine. But 34% of people worry about the side effects and 16% of people worry about the speedy approval of the vaccine. So, it is a responsibility of the government as well as the drug maker to throw more light on the people's doubt regarding the vaccine by publishing the data of third human clinical trial in the public domain. Okay, now we have the vaccine, then can we eradicate the SARS-CoV-2 virus from the world? Well, we need to wait and see. The reason is that it is entirely based on how much percentage of people are getting vaccinated and also how efficiently we are implementing the vaccination drive and how fastly the virus is getting muted or transferring from one person to another person. It depends on how fastly we can find the exact source of SARS-CoV-2 virus and also how this virus is surviving in different species. Okay friends, give your opinion regarding this video in the comment section. Give a thumbs up by clicking the like button and share to your friends. Remember to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon, then you will get immediate notification when I post the new video. We shall meet again in our next discussion. Until then, take care, love you all, bye bye.